Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Solve Vision. Today episode bomb for all. And today's another day, another way to get paid. Always looking for something nice for the right price. I'm super excited today. Today we're gonna make a simple dish, some stir-fry instant noodle. Alright, so we got the noodles ready already. We boil it. We don't want to boil it too soft. Just give it a quick boil so it won't be all salted and all sticky and mushy when you stir-fry it. So you want to quickly boil it and take it out the hot water and drain it and let it cook itself. So yeah. Quickly boil this, not too long so it won't get mushy, and take it out and let it dry so it can be easily to stir fry. Okay, so we got everything prepped ready. We got to chop up garlic, chop up scallion, and I don't know what it's called, so you can give it that crunch taste when you stir fry it and eat it. And yeah, thank you for Ning Owen for cutting this and prepping this for me. But me doing this because I like it, a real thin sliced beef. It don't gotta be perfect, guys. It's gonna be a quick stir fry. Simple. That's all you need. And the ingredients you need really is just hoisin.
No, oyster.
The simple ingredients what you need is the oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and I forgot this right here, and 1 pack of the seasoning of the tom yum. And we got the eggs. You know, got the oil on the side, and that's basically it. Oh, sugar and a little bit of machang, just a little bit. You don't want too much. It's sugar. It's a lot of sugar. Not too much sugar, but you know, a good portion of it. Just go by the portion of the noodles and the meats and the veggies. That's basically it. Simple, super simple, and just don't burn it. But okay, let's chop it down. I know I'm talking a lot, babbling, just chatter. I'm gonna stop and let's begin. Woo! Okay, lo need that garlic, that them. Put in the garlic with the oil in there. Okay. Sugar. Watch out for the sugar, because you know we need the sugar to caramelize the garlic. And a little bit of MSG in there. You want to put the beef. A little bit of fish sauce, not too much. Oh yeah, baby. Not too much, guys. Not too much. First thing first, add the fish sauce. Take that one. Give it a good stir. And after that, you want to put the oyster. 1, 2, 3. You see, like the gravy type of. Ooh. All right. And I got the tongue, so it can be an easy process while cooking it. All right. And the vegetable and stuff, we're gonna put it after, because you know you don't want to overcook the vegetable. All right. So the ingredients there, I'm gonna go by what I put in there without tasting it. You know, sometimes you gotta go by your instincts. Okay. And after that, see how the gravy's in there is all boiling nicely and all that good stuff. All right, guys. So we're gonna grab the noodle, chop me, not Joe. Everything's gonna be all. All right. Just put a little bit at a time. So we're gonna. Mix it all in first before you put the rest of the noodles. Yes. Put the rest in. I know the neighbor's smelling this right now. I know you're smelling this, Polly. I know it's smelling good, huh? Alright. See that? All the flavor from the beef and the ingredients with the beef is already, ooh, just diving in with the noodles. Alright, we're going to put the scallion, a little chop up green onion. Mix it all in there, don't be afraid. careful, guys. It's getting hot. Flip it around.
Wow.
See how all the oil just disappeared? Because it's all soaking with the noodle, so you can just stir fry it. And the main thing we want to use is the stem. That's the main thing. Stem on, go get stem. You just give it a good crunch. Just spread the noodle around. You don't want it to stick together too much. Alright guys, so everything is done now. We're going to transfer the stir fry into here so we can get the eggs going. You know what I mean? We need some eggs in there, baby. Alright guys, so we got the eggs here. And the seasoning we're going to use the package from the instant noodle. So I sprinkle a little bit in there. You don't want to put too much, just, you know, give it a good, you know, ham yam taste to it. It's already in there. Just yeah, baby. All right, you're ready and go. Yes. That's the way how I like it. All right, guys, I'm gonna flip it. This is what y'all guys were waiting for. Ready? If I messed up, I messed up. That's on me. Ready? Set. Oh, ooh, that was close. Oh my goodness, this is what we was looking for right here. Crispiness, the slight crispiness from the eggs from the outside, and the fluffiness. We need that sponge, baby, that sponge-like eggs. Okay, we done with this. All we gotta do now is just, you know, slice it up and throw it on top. All right, guys, so the eggs finished. So now we're gonna simple. You see the oil? What I learned about frying some eggs, what I've been watching is in Thailand, love to use a lot of oil. Golden. That's what we need. That's what we need, guys. That's what we need. Okay.
I'm a lit kid beat. I'm a lit kid beat.
Yeah, finally done, guys. I'm done. Look at that. It looks delicious. It looks delicioso, guys. Simple, fast, and easy. You don't got to be an amazing cook. Just know how to, you know, heat stuff up. That's basically it. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say. But anyway, look, guys. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay with your family. You know what I mean? Hey, look. That's all I got to say. And I appreciate y'all guys for watching this video. You know, it's always another day, another way to get paid. And that's it, man. Leave a comment. Smack that thumb button. You know, smack, smack, smack. Smack that thumb button and push that notification button to be notified for the next video. Like always, guys, don't love money, just love making it. I'm gone.
What you doing tonight, baby? We living. This could be the time of your life. Make a decision. You can never pick any side. You always switching. Girl, you make me feel so alive. Fuck with your vision. I fuck with your vision.